So guys, I'm here somewhere different. I am looking at a view of the beautiful Mediterranean Ocean from where I am. I'll switch this camera around in a minute. I am in Torremolinos, mainland Spain. First time here. Something completely different. Lots of Art Deco buildings around. It is 5 to 7 in the morning. This is the original location of the package holiday for Irish and British people. So stick with me over the next week and let's get some photos and video.
You're watching René Brun, the official channel.
Lovely here, first day, 1st of November, 22 degrees, all that chirping you can hear. Parrots, loads of parrots around here, and eagles and stuff, which is kind of cool. I'm hoping to get some on video. A few seagulls as well, but what can you do, you're beside the sea.
Come in for a swim, I promise I won't bite!
While Sharky McSharkerson won't bite, some of the prices for food and drink in Torrmolinos will. It is this resort that René is staying in for the week, taking photos, making videos and friends, and meeting up with a celebrity orangutan, Homer Simpson, and some minions. But like any video, let's start it off in the morning.
Here I am, guys, in beautiful Torremolinos, Spain. Lots of Art Deco buildings from the 1970s and sunrises like this.
Benalmadena Harbor starts where Torremolinos Resort ends. Here you can see Benalmadena in the distance as René flies his drone over the harbor into Torremolinos. This area has a Class D restriction for drone flying due to its proximity to Malaga Airport. Use common sense when flying, or just don't get caught.
Okay guys, I'm down at Benalmadena Harbour. As you can see behind me, a Spanish galleon, or as they call it here, galleon. It's a beautiful area, I have to say. It's really nice. It's about 10 minutes walk from the hotel. No sign of the dolphins again, but I realise with the harbour being about 600 or 700 metres from the coastline here, the harbour wall, I think tomorrow morning or later in the day, in the evening, when the dolphins are fishing again, looking for their dinner. Not a burger and chips, but fish. I don't know why I'm even talking about this. Hopefully I'll capture them. So got some lovely black and white so far, which I'll probably overlay on the video as I'm talking now. Got a couple of nice colours. The sun isn't fully up yet. It's only 10 past 9. But once the sun gets nice and high, it'll really bring out all the strong colours here. And I'm looking forward to getting some of those Art Deco buildings. I'm going to pan the camera around in a minute, and behind me is Torremolinos, and over this way is Benalmadena. Into frame, walking into frame, looking like an idiot. Benalmadena looks absolutely amazing. Beautiful place as well. You can already see some of those lovely yellow, old school 1970s high rise. That's the Art Deco type buildings you'd have here. Hopefully they'll keep its rustic charm, but I can imagine 10-15 years later they'll probably be torn down for some modern monstrosity. But yeah, beautiful. You can see the shadows on the mountain just behind as well. Looks really nice. The one on this side, no shadow. Over there, all the greenery, nice bit of shadow. So yeah, I'll go take some more photos, maybe get the drone up now, aka the helicopter, and keep enjoying my holiday.
When finished his drone flight and walking along the beach, Rene bumped into retired actor from the movie Any Which Way But Loose. Not Clint Eastwood, but Clyde, the orangutan. They both went into Larry's beach bar and talked about camera work and had some beers. Back at the hotel they had wine, and things got more crazy from there.
Trying not to get hit by a car. As I said, doctor says I need glasses. Ching ching. So I'm going to start off and shoot in black and white first. See what I can do here. Okay, that looks very good. So let me just get the top part. I don't want to get the bottom of the building in. Make sure I get this tree and the lovely white clouds. Gives a lovely effect. Just going to eye it up a bit. And now that's an F4. I'm going to switch from black and white down to my color settings. I'm going to switch saturation medium to high. I'm going to move up a little bit, try to get the tree out of the shot. At the same time, I'm keeping an eye on my camera bag, being safe. Okay. I think the black and white actually looks much better. I think the tree kind of has to be in the shot just to give a bit of extra detail to the image. I don't know if that's the right word, but you know what I mean. That's a lovely building. I'm going to switch the camera off now. I'm going to walk further up and try to get some more photographs. Don't know what I was thinking this morning. Went walking along the promenade, about 2 miles so far, in bloody flip-flops. As you can tell, that wasn't the plan, but there you go. Nice morning for 22 degrees, and it's 8:35 a.m. So good morning guys again here in Torremolinos. I walked from the Benalmadena end up to the other end by the huge, hideous, kitschy hotel. I'd love to get the drone up, but it's fairly close to the airport, so I can't do that. Past a load of little stores, shops, supermarkets, and I have a woman in the back looking at me. Haha, well, she stopped with her dog, so she must be a fan. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, renebrunofficial.com. So just down here at the beach this morning, didn't see any dolphins yet, again. I guess I was very lucky. My first morning I was spoiled with that. I've been getting a few architectural shots, which are kind of good. One or two street images, well, street, as you can do street by the beach, you know. I'm going to take a detour off the main strip going back, and see if I can get a few nice photographs, a few people, a few characters. I like getting some of the silhouettes in the morning, people going past, which is kind of cool. But yeah, very enjoyable. Don't forget the full video will be coming out in about a week or two. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Rene Brune Official on YouTube. That's RENEBRUUN Official. And keep on watching. Seriously guys, how ugly is that hotel? Monstrosity, and you can see it for miles when we're down the beach. That's how I said, oh sure, I'll walk up and take a picture, but it's so big. It just looks hideous, although it does probably have some fantastic views. Okay, on we go. Okay guys, just come in off the main beach path and I found some stunning buildings. Wow, absolutely amazing here. I put the camera away, but I think I have to take it back out now for this. Holy crap guys, look at this scene behind me. This is exactly what I came here for. I did a great thing doing this morning. I wasn't expecting to see this. I thought it was just the kitschy stuff and just hotel. Look at this view. Absolutely incredible. Unreal. Definitely got to take a few photos here. It's okay, mi amigo. Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
You're busy working. I just make video. It's okay. So, as you can see, I got the street worker in the fluorescent jacket. There's an old lady walking with a bucket. I'm going to grab the camera and then try to go down and follow her and get a picture. I mean, how can you not love this? This is crazy. Absolutely beautiful.
What our favorite photographer didn't know is, today, there is the famous Torremolinos Bull Run, a lot like the Pamplona Bull one. But this one has little yellow freaks.
I tell you what, people are talking about so many parrots here in Torremolinos. So there's so much chirping of the parrots. Never mind the fucking parrots. There's so many bleeding little yellow things running around here. I don't know what the hell they are. Causing all types of mischief and mayhem.
Let's go fucking mental!
The next day, Renee hoped things would improve. They didn't. More minion mayhem.
Second last day. Tastiest, whitest Irishman on the beach. That's your boy. The water's fucking cold. At least all those little yellow things aren't around. I don't know what they call them, onions, funyuns, minions, whatever. They're all over the place.
Thank you, big boss.
Come on, this way, my minions! Photographer's juice, that and coffee. So second last day here, back in the old town. This time I'm shooting colour photographs. I did a lot of black and white in this trip, but the few colour shots I shot and processed I did in a Wes Anderson style, with that sort of faded tint, sort of blue sky type effect. So around shooting a few more today. See if I can get the same type shots. Anyhow, if you're coming to Torremolinos, Costa del Sol, as a photographer, I would say 5 days you wouldn't necessarily need the 7, especially if you're doing a lot of walking around and stuff. If you're driving, it's better. You can head up into the mountains and stuff like that. Apart from that, yeah, enjoying myself. Torrential downpour last night. 3 inches of rain in an hour, but you wouldn't even think it here this morning. It's absolutely beautiful, blue skies, sunshine. So on with the pictures.